What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Woke up out of a nap, got a little bit hungry, trying to figure out where I want to eat. End up at Alberta Market. All of a sudden, I got a bag full of chicken in front of me and some JoJo's. You already know what's next. Step number one, got JoJo in the South potato wedges with the ranch sauce. JoJo's on point with the ranch sauce. You can't go wrong. 15 bucks. You can't go wrong. All right, it's time to see what this chicken's hitting on. No sauce, no hot sauce. Yeah. 8 pieces, JoJo's 15. Yeah. I'm all over that. Give me like a Red Bull. I'm good. All right, we gotta see what this hot sauce is hitting on. If the wings warm, I'm there every night. You know what I'm saying? Definitely at 8.5, 9 all day, every day.